Yeah, so Smart FS here. Hope you guys are good. Hope you guys are fired up. All right, so you know how we do it. We break it down all the way from the higher time frame. Are you fired up? So on the screen here we have SAUUSD. That is good spot. All right. So doing the top-down analysis, we want to see what is happening on SAUUSD. So we have the monthly support here, we have the monthly resistance over there, and we already know that overall gold is a bullish market. Overall, it will sell on the smaller time frame, but overall, gold is a bullish market. Okay. So now, what kind of structure is this? Aggressively bullish. So market hit the resistance. Now we see rejection, then price is just playing around some point, some point. So there's no clear structure over here like that. Okay. So all I'm trying to say is that on the monthly time frame, we are not going to talk too much. Buyers are in control. Market is aggressively bullish. Finish. So we have to move to the weekly time frame so we can see what is happening clearly. Then we start the proper analysis from there. So this is now SAUUSD on the weekly time frame. All right. So let's identify some weekly key levels, some weekly highs and lows. We have a weekly low here, another weekly low somewhere here. Let me see if I should adjust this to cater for this. Okay, that's not bad. Now we have another weekly high at the top over there. Okay, another weekly high at the top over there. Another weekly high at the top over there. So let me see. So let me still cater for this one too. Let me still cater for this. Let me still cater for that one. So now let's add mini to the structure. From here we have a high, right? We have a low. There is no order clear, so we have straight to the monthly resistance, higher high, got rejected, higher low. Okay. Now from here market failed to give us another higher high. From here, when this market was moving to the upside, you can see it couldn't break above the previous high, printed another weekly low sample here. So what happened? Boom, market sold and already broke below the previous low. Broke below the previous low. So this is violation of market structure. Better still, that is change of character, because the previous low got broken to the downside. Okay, so now this is now looking like lower low. So market is pulling back to give us another lower high. So from here, likely the market can easily give us another lower low to the downside. I hope you are following. So let me take off this. Then let me cater for this as a weekly high. Alright. These key levels we are marking, these are key levels the market respected before. So it's not to confuse you or to entertain you. So currently that means from the weekly resistance over here, market gave us a low, pullback giving us a high. So if this resistance is all that strong, then gold is likely to give us another lower low to the downside. That is the weekly structure understanding. We can move to the smaller time frame and see different things, but so far this is the higher time frame understanding. So from there we are moving to the 1D time frame. We are moving to the 1D time frame. So let's add mini to the daily structure. Let's add mini to the daily structure. So on the 1D time frame, gold is bearish. Okay. So as we are approaching the smaller time frame, that means we are not going to be working with the overall trend anymore, but the most recent structure. So let me zoom in for you to see properly. So now there is another high somewhere here. Let me cater for it. So if you look at the structure properly, from the resistance over here, we have a market. From the resistance we have a low, right? We have a high. Now market sold all the way, giving us lower low here. This happens to be the lower high. So from that resistance, there's a high probability the market should give us another lower low like this. That's the daily structure understanding. We are talking about gold on the 1D time frame. Open your eyes. Are you following? So weekly we saw bearish structure. Weekly we saw bearish structure. On the daily time frame to this bearish structure that we are seeing. Okay. So from here we are moving to the 4-hour time frame. On the 4-hour, we're going to be focusing on what is happening currently here to the current price, so that we add more meaning to it, then we follow those who are in control. Okay. So now let's move to the 1D time frame. Hope you guys are following. Now we are moving to the 4-hour time frame. Alright, so before I zoom the chart, let's see what is happening overall. Now on the 4-hour time frame, change of character has happened again. So this is no more a downtrend, but now a bullish trend. Let's add meaning to it. When this market was selling to the downside, we have a low here, we have a high, right? We have lower low, we have lower high. From there, what happened? Market failed to give us another lower low. Now pull back, break above the previous high. Okay, so we have another high, we have a low. Now we have higher high, we have higher low, and from here market is currently moving to the upside. So that means we have to follow the recent structure, because things happen quicker on the smaller time frame than the higher time frame. Before you will see change of character on the daily time frame, it has happened on the 1-hour and the 4-hour time frame already. I hope you are following. Beautiful. So change of character has happened. This is no longer a downtrend. Now let's zoom the chart a bit so we can now focus on what is happening currently. So if you look at the current structure, let me cater for this low here. Let me also cater for this low here. Okay, so now let's add meaning. Who is in control? From here we have a high, right? We have a low. This is now higher high, higher low, boom, higher high to the upside, another higher low. And from the support here, we are already seeing a bullish momentum to the upside. I'm not telling you what I think, I'm telling you what I see. So you to open your eyes so we can be on the same page. I hope you are following. Full breakdown, proper top-down analysis. Beautiful. So now let's zoom the chart a bit so we can see what is happening clearly. So right now from this support over here, market is now pick a clear direction, now moving to the upside. So our work is to now focus on what is happening currently. How do we capitalize on this move before market retests the resistance key level at the top? How do we capitalize on this move? How do we do that? How? Now there is an immediate support showing somewhere here. I wanna see. Okay. No, let me take up this. Now we are on the 4-hour time frame and we should be marking the zone on the 4-hour, but I'm lacking some information. Okay, I want to see what is happening here clearly, but I lack detailed information over there. So permit me, let me move to the 1-hour time frame so I can see what is happening. Already we understand market is bullish. Okay, good. Now on the 1-hour time frame, I can now see what I want to see. Look at it here. Market printed a double bottom here. Okay, which is a potential reversal pattern. Market from the market bots broke above the previous high, already pulled back for a retest. So from here we should be what? Looking for further buying opportunity. So that means we're going to be having a key level here, probably the zone. Our zone is going to be there, because after marking that support over there, that's the one now closer to the current price. So we're going to be having a zone over there. Beautiful. So this is what I wanted to see. It was not showing clearly on the 4-hour time frame. So you see this double top, double bottom pattern that I've been preaching to you guys. It has been it has been happening, okay, and it works. Look at it here. That's the same thing gold printed here before gold bought to the downside. I sold to the downside, I mean, sorry. Look at it. Market hit the resistance with a high, give us a rejection and a retest. The moment you see the previous low broke to the downside. Okay, so this is supposed to be your final confirmation, your entry. You can see how gold sold aggressively, free money. You understand that? So this pattern that I've been telling you, rejection and retest, then it has been working. Practice more, you will understand it. You know how it will work for you. Okay, practice more. Look at it. So we're doing analysis, but let's back test. Look at it over there. That's going to be your final confirmation. Definitely, you're going to be having your zone sample here like this. You're going to be having your zone sample here like that. So this, the break of the structure over here is going to be your final confirmation. Look at it. Look at how market sold. 1:3 risk to reward ratio. That is 1:3. Look at it. Isn't that free money? Just following risk management. So just practice more. Just practice more. Now before this market to reverse, that is the same thing pattern that market is printing over here. The same double bottom. And already confirm it by both breaking the neckline, pulling back for a retest. So keep practicing, right? Just keep practicing. So right now we have this zone. If you look at the zone, market already, everything is clear already. Market printed a double bottom here. Here we have resistance. Down there, support. Here towards support. We have previous support here, then to resistance. Currently acting as a support again. Alright. So let me mark the zone for you. Like this. So further looking to the left, we have information, but even within this region, this information that we have over there is enough for me already. It's enough for me. So if my entry is clear on the 1 hour time frame, I can go with it. If it's not clear, I can go to 30 minutes for proper view, then follow the structure like that. Now the zone is a bit small, so let me expand it a bit like this. So break of the previous high here, that is going to be my final confirmation. And gold is bullish. Gold is a bullish market. So if I have confirmation for a buy, I can hold it for long, putting my stop loss below the zone. This kind of setups are not for $10 accounts, $20 accounts. So please, small accounts, stay away. Use currency pair to grow your small accounts. Okay. So we have another key level at the top. I want to see. Small $10, $20 accounts, please stay away from this kind of setups. It's not good for your health. So I'm just crossing check to the left so I can mark the immediate, some of the immediate key levels so that we can see if we can hold it. You know, we have been, hey, that's 1:5. Now let me limit myself sample here. 1:3 is okay. That is a lot of money. A lot, crap. So that is giving us 1:3. So and look at how the setup is neat, very neat. I love this setup. I love this setup. My stop loss below the zone. So my stop loss below the zone. The full setup is giving us 1:3, which means I should divide it and have 3 TPs. TP 1, 2, 3, but that is the best thing to do. So let me have 3 TPs. So first TP here. So it will not look like we are trying to be greedy. We can get paid as fast as possible. Yeah. So 1:3, and then that's even almost 1:4. And then we are having 3 TPs. That's massive, right? So from here, now let's analyze the entry. Bearish market was initially going down, but printed what? Double bottom here, which is a potential reversal pattern. From there, what happened? Market bought, broke above the neckline, meaning market already confirmed the reversal pattern. Okay, now break and retest is everywhere, it happens everywhere. So after breaking above the neckline, market pull back for a retest. Okay, now we don't want to take any premature entry here and get faked out. That is why we are now waiting for this market to break above the previous high. We're waiting for, even from the zone here, you can see that the first, second, and third candles are all bullish. Market is bullish. Buyers are in control, taking the lead from here. But we don't want to jump into it too quickly, okay, to avoid fake out. So right now from here, we are waiting for the buyers to take a full control, break above the previous high, then we follow them. Then we follow them like this. I hope you guys are following. So from here, retest the zone. Now buyers are taking the lead. We wait until they break above the previous high before we follow them. So that is going to basically be my full technical analysis on Xauusd. I love this setup, very clean. Meaning if market right now market is not moving, okay. So if this market started moving, I see break above this, just risk management, then we follow them, pull the trigger, stop loss below the zone, finish, peace of mind. Then you allow the market to run. After taking the entry, do not be checking the markets after every 2 minutes, every 2 seconds. No, you are destroying your psychology. To not help you. All right, just put your stop loss, put your TP, allow the market to do the rest. Don't be checking it. It will trigger your emotions. Okay, it will be sending different informations that are not good for your psychology. So I'm going to post this on my YouTube channel for educational purpose only. So if you are watching it on YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notifications so anytime we post educative videos like this, you'll be notified and you come and watch it and practice. Don't watch and go and sleep. Watch and practice. Okay, go to the description of this video. Free signal group link there is there. All this analysis we are doing, anytime I get the confirmation, I post the free signals back to back. I post the free signals. Okay, and we also have a free class for the beginners. That is the beginner to the intermediate. So just go to the description of the video. Free signal group link is there. Make use of it. Join the free signal group. So anytime I post the signals, you can follow them and then grow your account. So we grow together. If you're a beginner too, I'll be posting updates in the group on how you can join the beginners class completely for free. So yeah, and also if you're in the group, anytime we come live, we'll be coming live here every day on TikTok to learn. So you can also be following us every day and be learning. But if you are watching the video right now on TikTok, just go to the description, TikTok bio over there. Free Telegram group link is there. Click on it. The first page that will come, you click on the 3 dots at the right top corner. From there you click on open in browser, then it will take you straight to the free signal group. Tomorrow morning, I'll be dropping updates on how you can join the beginners class completely for free. That is if you're a beginner, right? So yeah, this is going to be my full technical analysis on gold, SAUUSD, meaning buyers are in control. Market is currently giving us buying opportunity, but there's no confirmation yet. So we're going to leave it over there for you. That's my full technical analysis on gold. Anything apart from that, signing out.